Assigning a job goal. This shows that one individual has been assessed by Susie Rutkowski on March 13th, 2025. We need to assign a job goal. I'm going to hit Explore the Job Bank. You can also hit Job Bank. There's different ways to do this. So I can filter by these categories. So you can see these are the ONET career clusters. Let's go into retail. Let's say that they're interested maybe in being a clerk or a cashier. So I'm hearting the ones that they might be interested in. And let's say that they actually want to be a general store clerk. One other thing to show you, if I search by the local name or only show our job, that'll show you the jobs that you've entered yourself. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jobs that I've entered for this particular site. After I've assigned a job goal, I'm going to go back to Data and Reports, and it's now going to show me General Store Clerk, how well suited they are, greens, yellows, oranges, and reds. Let's say someone changes career goals, and let's say they'd rather work in retail with ice cream. So I'm going to click Ice Cream Retail, and automatically that changes the job goal up at the top. Once you have a job goal, you can click over to the star and start to begin using the artificial intelligence assistant.